Good afternoon, ladies and gents. What I got here on my old table today are the front spindles, or the spindles off of my 1983 Chevrolet S10. If you are new to the channel or you haven't seen before, this is a project car I'm building. It's got big tires set up in the rear. Those are not big tires, that's why it looks funny. No engine currently, but I've been doing all the interior engine bay and pretty much everything but the engine to get it ready for it, so that the engine's the last thing that's got to go in there. So today I figured, while I had these out, I'm waiting on new control arms. Figured I would tear them apart, restore them, because I'm probably going to use these spindles. They're not factory, I don't think, but I'm going to go ahead and use these guys. Probably change the rotors out eventually, but for now I'm just going to take them off, clean them up, put them back on. But the spindles I will probably reuse. So we'll get it stripped down, take this ugly dust shield off, and bust the wire wheel out, and that's probably how this is going to go. Just a lot of sanding and maybe some painting, but let's get them broken down. There's the hubs now off the spindles here. The spindles have the little bearings on them, and so when I pull these hubs, those bearings come out, the inner outer race, the bearings themselves. There's a seal in there. So with all that out, I can now pull these dust covers off. I'm not gonna run dust covers, don't need them. The car's not gonna see enough traffic to worry about the brake dust covers, so, and I'll grease it all the time. So yeah, we'll go ahead and pull those off. Hopefully these nuts here, with all the heat cycles they see, hopefully they'll come off pretty easy, or hopefully they won't fight, but with all the heat cycles they might fight a bit. Alright, we got a new day here. Last night I got the spindle all covered with tape. Got the bearings covered up with tape because I don't think I'm going to change the bearings for now. Probably just slap them back in and change the bearings when I get new hubs, because it'd be silly. Yeah, it'd be silly because you got to pull the inner and outer races out of this guy. And so if I pull those races out now and put new ones in and then get new hubs, I'd have to pull the races out of these hubs and put them in the new ones. It'd be dumb. Races aren't very easy to get in. Maybe I'll show a video of that. I'm sure most of you already know how to do that. Anywho, main priority right now is to get these ugly dudes cleaned up, because they be gross. They are yucky. So, bust out the old grinding wheel and the old wire wheel, and get to cleaning. Got them all shined up, and these things are looking mint. I didn't expect it to go that well. They do look pretty good. Not a huge fan of the cast spindles, but you know, they look pretty good. We'll get a little bit more tape on them, on the spindles here, and then we'll go ahead and check on the old black reliable paint that I use for everything. So yeah, look pretty good. So that's pretty much gonna finish it up for the old spindles here. Like I said earlier in the video, for now I'll probably throw the hubs back on, just so that when I do get the new control arms on there, I can set it on the wheels and move it around. But I will get new brakes, which will come with new hubs and everything in the future. But for now, just so that these spindles can go back on and the truck can roll around. But hey, that looked pretty nice. I should start charging money to do this. Look pretty good. Anywho, thanks for watching. If you care about the build, feel free to like and subscribe. And yep, I'll continue making videos of the S10 even if no one watches them, like usual. So yeah, have a good day and I'll see you later.